Good morning, students. Today, I welcome you first of all in class 11th, and I hope that you will do better and better in class 11th. So, in class 11th mathematics, you have to arrange NCERT book, and in NCERT, the first chapter is set. So, how will you define set? The set is a well-defined collection of an object which is called set, and it is written in braces and denoted by A equal to braces 1 2 3 7 0. For example, the collection of natural number between 12 and 123. This collection is well defined because there are fixed numbers between 12 and 123. So this collection is called set. There is collection of good teachers. Collection of good teacher is not well defined because in view of me there is a different list of good teacher, in view of you there will also be a different list, so that collection is not well defined, and that set collection is not a set. Collection of vowels in English alphabet is well defined collection, and because there are fixed alphabets, those are A, E, I, O, U. So this collection is set. Third example, consider good student in a school. This collection is also not well defined because a different person will make different list of good students, so it is not set. Collection of best cricket player, this is also not well defined. This is also not a set. Few examples are here for practice. You go through these examples and check whether these collections are set or not, and do these in copy. Also, you have to write all the definitions which are discussed above. Now the next is the element of sets. Those objects by which the set is formed is called elements of a set. Just suppose A equal to 1 2 3. Here this set is formed by the number 1 2 and 3. These are called element, and element of a set denoted by this symbol belongs to. Read as 1 belong to A, and 1 is the element of A, 2 is element of A, or 2 belongs to A, or we can say 3 is element of A, 3 belongs to A. 4 is not element of A, 4 does not belong to A, and this is denoted by the symbol not. So few practice questions are here. You have to put sign belongs to and does not belong to in between these elements. B blank capital E. Here B is inside the set. You will say that B belongs to A. Here we are observing 7 is not in A, so you will mark there 7 does not belong to A. This way you can put the symbol belongs to or does not belong to between the element of this given set A. Now the presentation of set. Presentation of set can be presented by two ways. One is tabular form, other is set builder form. Tabular form is also called roster form. When the element of set are listed in braces, then it is called tabular form or roster form. For example, the collection of letters of the word English, its tabular form is represented by A equal to EGHILNS. Whatever letters are used to make the word English, those you will write in braces, separating by commas, and you will write each element. Don't repeat the element, and the order is not important. Few examples are here. The collection of natural number less than 6, collection of integers between -2 and 3, collection of the letter of the word Nainital, and collection of all even prime number. So you have to make a set in tabular form. Then you will write A equal to braces you will make. Suppose this is third example, collection of letters of the word Nainital. Here A is used, N is used, I is used, comma, T is used, L is used, and you will put all the element in braces. So this way you have to write all these sets in tabular or roster form. Next is set builder form. Set builder form, in this the elements are written in form of statement. This is the way x such that x is a prime number less than 20. We are listing here the prime number less than 20, prime number less than 22, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is tabular form, and the set builder form is A equal to x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 20. This statement consisting all the prime numbers which are listed here. So this is a set builder form. Few collections are given here. Collection of the letter used in the word Allahabad. Its tabular form is ABDHL, and its set builder form is x such that x is letter of the word Allahabad. Few practice questions are here. You have to write the sets in tabular and set builder forms. After these equal sets, two sets are said to be equal if both sets have same number of elements and same elements. Consider two sets, A equal to 2, 3, B equal to x is a natural number between 1 and 4. These two sets are equal because both have same element. A has also 2, 3, and B has natural number between 1 and 4. These are also 2, 3. So these number of elements are equal, and inside the elements are equal. So these two are equal set. Consider another set, A equal to 3, 4, 5, B equal to 4, 6, 7. These two sets have same number of element, but elements are not equal, but number of elements are equal. This type of sets are known as equivalent sets, and two sets are said to be equivalent if there are same number of element in both sets. So this way, these are the basic definitions of sets. You have to go through all these definitions. You have to write all these things in fair copy, and after that we have to go in the exercise 1.1. And if you are facing any confusion, then you feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.